Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing these Turtle Wax Renew and Restore wipes. I want to try a few different things. One, I'm going to try the headlights on the Lexus. These headlights aren't in the worst shape, but you can probably see a little bit more haziness in this driver's side one, like there. I wonder if it'll take away from that. I'm not sure. We'll see. And then it's also said it's good for chrome. So I have a Mercedes, a 69 Mercedes over there. I have this Mercedes right here. I can try it on the chrome and see what it does for that as well. So let's break up in one of these packs. I also wiped the headlight down with alcohol beforehand, and I wiped the chrome where I'm planning to apply it down with alcohol as well. And let's get this out. Okay. Apparently you're just supposed to kind of just wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe basically. I think it just has a very mild abrasive in it, which is something that's helping the process. Let's see here. I mean, I still see the haze right there, so I'm not sure how much of this will need to be done to get rid of the haze, or if it will get rid of the haze, I don't know. Let me get a towel, buff it off, wipe this off. I'll show you a clip of before, and then this is what it looks like after. The glass still has the haze, but it does look clearer than this one now. I don't know if you can see it on video, but this one does have some hazing there. This one is pretty clear all the way around, which is not bad at all. Now let's try some chrome. Let's just use this existing rag and see what it does. Okay, this is an old 69 Mercedes, so this is real chrome. I'm just gonna see what I can do here. I'm assuming it'll just kind of clean it. It does seem to be getting cleaner. Let's wipe this off. And this is after. This is before. You should be able to see a difference there for sure. Now, could that be achieved with just like some, I don't know, some 3000 grit sandpaper or something? Maybe. I don't know how to clean chrome, but this seems to have done a very good job actually. I might wipe down the rest of the chrome with the other piece. But overall, I think the package was like maybe 25 bucks or less than 30 bucks probably from Costco. It comes with the one I just used, 12 pack. I don't know why I didn't see 12 pack right there. So if you have a Costco membership, this could definitely be a good idea. I'll try to find some more cars over the next coming weeks and see if I can do some restoration wipes on those and try them out on like more yellowing stuff and more older stuff that's worse than, like none of my car headlights are really bad. So it's like, I need to find something with some really yellowing headlights. I'll try them out on, but it did work pretty good for the chrome. Although I'm sure there's a much more budget friendly way to clean chrome like that. So I don't know, but either way, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.